Hi friends, we're Sandra and Timo, aka Monasi, and we spent the last 2 years traveling through Europe full-time in our self-converted van Parker.
We lived the most amazing adventures and had the best time living on the road, made awesome friends and saw the most beautiful places. But now, we are ready for something new.
So we decided to go back home, pack our bags and get ready for a new adventure.
With way too many bags, we flew 16,000 kilometers away from home and made it all the way to Australia.
In this week's video, we leave the city behind and explore the Dandenong Ranges an hour away from home.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We are Monasi, aka Timo and Sandra, and today we're saying hello from our beautiful kitchen in Melbourne, Australia.
We have a whole trip planned for today. It's just a day trip, not too far. But before we go there, we want to have breakfast, we want to have a coffee and maybe prepare a snack because we don't know, it's going to be a little bit of hiking. So let's get this done first and then we can hit the road.
If you're new to the channel, we moved to Melbourne, Australia 6 months ago, and just recently, only last week, we shared with you that we bought a car so that we would be able to get out of the city every once in a while and explore. So today that's exactly what we're doing.
What do you feel like for brekkie today?
I'm gonna be honest, we've been having the same brekkie for the past 2 months, almost every day. So let's do the same thing. We've been having a turmeric cinnamon porridge with some frozen fruits and nice toppings. So let's start with that. Alright, we need milk and we are out of milk. So the first thing, I guess, fail. Should we go down and buy some?
Yeah, probably.
We can start with the coffee though. Alright, let's make a coffee then. We have our V60, our cute kettle.
Don't tell me we also don't have any coffee left.
Well, I would be surprised if there's any more than 4 grams in here.
Oh no.
Okay, well, that's a sad morning. Let's fix this. Let's go get a coffee, let's go grab milk, and we'll see you back here in 20. One of the best things of the neighborhood where we live in is that we are surrounded by great coffee shops. So every day is a choice. Although most of the times we go to Ula. If you've watched our coffee guide video at Pia, you know this is one of our to-go places to go for coffee. But today we might change it around and go to one place on our way to the grocery store. So let's do it.
Hey, Crumpet.
But yeah, it's good. It's really
Hey, you're very active this morning, aren't you?
Yeah, it's the same name as well. Yeah.
She's a showgirl. Just saw the star of the neighborhood. It's Crumpet, the mini poodle or toy poodle. We're not quite sure. She's just living next to us, so
And
good
I'm
times.
obsessed. It's just the cutest thing ever. I want one. Coffee? Check. Next thing on the list? Breakfast things.
What is the avocado situation?
I think these will be ready in a couple of days. Speaking to me. Well, eat now, I'm not so sure about that, but this one, do we want for today another one or for a couple of days? But it's going to be
Yeah,
hard.
just take one more.
Okay. Bye. Every time.
Every time.
Breakfast is ready. You still working on your beanie?
Yes.
Alright, let's dig into the sky and get ready to go. Ready?
Ready to go into the forest, into the deep unknown. Alrighty, once again, Sandra behind the wheel, driving us to a forest that is not too far away. Actually, it's a national park, isn't it?
Yeah.
To be honest, we just changed our plans. We wanted to go somewhere else, but we realized we took the morning a little bit too slow, so we're gonna go there maybe next week. But now we are on our way to the national park, and the name.
Oh, I forgot.
Yeah.
Something with D.
Something with D. We're gonna put it down here so you can see where we are heading, and yeah, gonna catch you there. And we made it. Sandra drove us to, and now we know the name, the Dandenong. No.
Dandenong.
Dandenong?
Dandenong.
I think it's Dandenong.
Dandenong.
Anyway,
Ranges.
we made it here, and it looks already fabulous. Just driving out an hour makes such a difference. Are you ready for 1,000 steps?
I wasn't expecting actual steps, but sure, let's do it.
I've been acting like a wild man, sleeping like a child. You're so luminous and vibrant, I'm always in bloom for you.
You made it.
You made it.
Yay.
It was harder than it looks, huh?
Yeah, I'm out of breath.
Me too.
Whee.
So many times I've stranded, a castaway on unknown shore. stranger in this continent. I'm always
Not today. You have to fight me for my bagel.
They just got my bagel. I can't believe it.
This was so aggressive.
Yeah. Well, now we know.
Far out. I almost dislocated my neck. Shit.
Here it was in my hand. And
she was watching us and then she took
I on purpose, I set this way to protect us, but we found the opening.
Shit.
There he is with the bagel. I can't believe it.
You and your mates made a mess in here.
Well, that was unfortunate. I tried to get the bagel back because I think it's not good for them to eat it, but what can I do? I mean, I already faced them with my back to make sure they would not attack us, but somehow he came out of nowhere. What a sneaky little kookaburra.
It was almost in your mouth.
Yeah.
I just can't believe it. We're moving away with the food to a protected area.
Yeah, we collected everything that we dropped or that the kookaburra dropped to make sure there's no remainings of the food, but yeah, crazy. So
I mean,
if you go...
They were not joking with that sign. They will steal your food from your mouth almost. So be careful.
So lesson learned.
The sun is out again and we are back in the car driving home. I'm actually more exhausted than I thought I would be. But anyway, we had a little snack and the plan is...
what the kookaburra left us.
The leftovers for us. And the plan is to go home, maybe do some stretches, a little yoga sesh, and maybe make some nice linner, and probably that's gonna be it for us today. We've got a few things to do to prepare for the weekend, and yeah, feeling good. I think it's just so nice for us to get out of the city and be in nature, and so yeah, it was so much fun. I really liked it. Dinner is served. We have a nice pho soup after this cold morning with a bit of an episode. Bon appetit.
And freshly washed hair.
And this is the end of the video for this week. Thank you so much for watching and following us along exploring the Dandenong Ranges.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel. We have more content planned where we explore Australia, especially Victoria, so don't miss out on it. And thanks for watching once again, and we see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
Just join the fun. 'Cause if you're in